Power sharing. Power does not rest with any one organ of the government in a democratic government. We divide power and strengthen the system. So this year, we will go deeper and understand desirability of power sharing. Also, the various forms of power sharing. Let's commence through two examples, Belgium and Sri Lanka. Story of Belgium. France, the Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. Its ethnic composition is very complex. 3 languages, Dutch, French and German. 3 regions, Flemish, 59% Dutch-speaking, Wallonia, 40% French-speaking, and Brussels. However, in Brussels, capital region, 20% Dutch-speaking and 80% French-speaking, there are 1% German-speaking also. But what was the problem in it? In Belgium, the French-speaking community was smaller in number but they were richer and more powerful. On the other hand, the Dutch-speaking majority got fewer benefits. For example, they could not get equal access to good education, government jobs, and economic opportunities for a long time. This problem was even worse in the capital city, Brussels. Because of this, tensions grew between the two communities. Story of Sri Lanka. India's neighbor. Its population is about 2 crore, same as in Haryana. Sri Lanka has a diverse population. 1. Major social groups, Sinhala speakers, 74% and Tamil speakers, 18%. 2. Moreover, there are 2 subgroups of Tamils, Sri Lanka Tamils, 13% and Indian Tamils, 5%. 3. Other social groups, Christians, 7% and rest, 1%. Religion, Buddhists, majority, Hindu. After attaining independence, Sinhala community took advantage of its majority. Since, it adopted a series of majoritarian measures. Changes favored Sinhala community only. Recognition of Sinhala as the only official language in 1956. Preferential policies for Sinhala applicants, government, jobs or university position. Moreover, duty of state to protect and foster Buddhism. Against these, Sri Lanka Tamils launched parties. Demanded for recognition of linguistic group. Thus, adopted Belgian model. To make workable arrangements, they had to amend their constitution 4 times, between 1970 and 1993. Although, Belgian measure is different and very innovative. So, the elements of Belgian model are, central government, equal representation of the ministers of both linguistic groups, and provision of bilateral agreement. State government, state governments are not subordinate to central government. Separate government, Brussels, both the communities have equal representation. Community government, this third kind of government is elected by people belonging to one language community irrespective of their place, Dutch, French and German. This government has power. Why power sharing is desirable? There are mainly 2 reasons. First, prudential and second, moral. Prudential reason, power sharing is good for better outcomes, because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Moral reason, power sharing is very spirit of democracy. It allows citizens to participate in government as they are the one who get affected by its exercise. Forms of power sharing. Horizontal distribution of power sharing. There are 3 organs of government, legislature, executive, judiciary. At same level, they perform different functions. Also check and balance the functioning of each other. Thus, share the power horizontally. Vertical distribution of power sharing, when power is shared among governments at different levels, central, union, state, regional, local. We call it vertical distribution of power sharing. Power sharing among different social groups. In some countries, constitutional and legal arrangements are made in order to give minority communities a fair share in power. For instance, reserved constituencies in India and community government in Belgium. Power sharing among political parties, pressure groups and movements, as we know that power sharing means division of power. This division can be of political parties in the form of coalition government. It can be of pressure groups who influence public opinions and government policies. For example, interest groups of traders, businessmen, industrialists, farmers, students, industrial workers. Thank you.